ಶುರು ಮಾಡಲೇ ತಾಯಿ
ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರಪ್ಪ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ. Hey guys, welcome to English cooking channel for hybrid people. Today I am making the Gen Z's orgasm and LGBTQ food, the Napon sack. What is this? Yeah, shit. Today I am making Big Mishra's breads, Nandini's butter, and these nai kodi means the mushroom. Again, Gomata's blessing, and these are all these African things, the stolen things. Chop these veggies like your relatives. Cut, and chop these manhoods. Cut. If you are allergic to this one, take this and shove it in your ass. Assholes. Take this dabri and put it on fire. Adani gas should be put in use now. And if you are lacto intolerance, nobody will tolerate you. Asshole you are. Take this Nandini's butter. Nandini, put on in butter. Yes, Nandini's butter came. You can call this Nandini's fat. Take this, put it to use. And take some lubricant, food lubricant. Cardio will happen to Nandini's fat. And it will burn. And this is Nandini's cheese. Tu cheese badi hai mast. Tu cheese badi hai mast. Tu cheese badi hai mast. Tu cheese badi. Take this loda lasan and throw it. It smells like your girlfriend's armpit. Take this Gaand Gaabri chili. Put it, throw it full up. 5 to 625 Gaand Gaabri chili. Cause these all fungus will take the kara kudbirtava, means it will take all the carness in them. That's why put too much. Say fuck off to your ass. If you care about your ass, you become asshole. Smells like your girlfriend's unwashed head. The natural Viagra. I'm horny now, guys. Kitchen weed. Yeah. Put some kitchen cocaine. If you are health conscious, fuck off. Now put this fungus into this. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ you put. If you want to put fungus, put. Or else shake your ass. So time to put some Nandini's fat. Nandini, give me your fat, you know. Wow. Oh man, who got some buttery Nandini's butter. Kitchen cocaine. Yeah, so put how much you want. Yeah, it's sweating. See, it's sweating. I won't let you escape. That's all. Let's put some African things, the stolen things. Hey, put it up. Yes. Oh. Bully flex. Yeah, everything has been put it. Cook it or fuck it. Just do it. No Nike is promoted here. The wetness should go. The water come, no. That come water should go. I guess food is smoking now. Ooh la, it's called mushroom swati. Today mushroom swati is got full wet, dry, all happened with mushroom swati. And mushroom swati is ready to go into bed now. I'm becoming mom. See, I'm becoming not fully loaded mom, half loaded mom. If I was a fully non-vegetarian, I would have licked it. Sexy man, sexy. I am. Not you, I am sexy. Kitchen weed. Fiery assholes. You let it heat like a dog beach. Don't watch bread. I'm not removing all these sides and all those henna people do this. Henna people means unmanly. Testosterone level less people will do that. What happens eating this? Your ass will become gutty. Put some lubricant on the bed also. Why I am doing this shit? I forgot how to make sandwich itself. So many days happened, no? I haven't cooked. Dumb fuck I am. It is hothead like a dog beach. Take this. Because it is not great. The blood has fallen. Let's see, guys. Full lapra, guys. Napunsak is not listening to me only. It's full torturing, man. Fastly you should do it, like one side and don't boil too much here. Remove it. Yeah. See, removing this one. Yay. greatest of all time. That is me. Self-announced. Yeah. Then this is cheese. Two cheese padi hai mast. Now take this one. Put it on this one. Now put this one. Bed ready means you spread. Yes. Not if boys. Flip it. Like your girlfriend flips the mind. Yeah. Yay. Hey. Yes, welcome to means Arabic assholes. Yeah. See. Hey. Chaku. Full street style I was trying to do, but it became non-streety. Yes. Cinematic shots. Pushpa movie director, don't take me. Ugly director. Who liked Pushpa movie? Just fuck off. You're some another level shit you are. Who didn't like Pushpa movie? Comment none. I have a huge respect on you. You have a literal taste like my food taste. Cinematic shots. This is not cinematic shot. Oh, sorry guys. Another Ivan made a fuck English guys. Fuck this language. Shit. See, another Ivan made. Another one I made. Now it came. Fuck English guys. See, next level it is full cinematic shots. See, tika. Pushpa character will eat with this one with ass only because he is a Pushpa. Pushpa is next level. How did he bited the gantla means throat of people, villains, no? Like that, this time he will eat from ass only. The Pushpa character is like that, next level. See. Cinematic. Oh no. Bye-bye guys. Much love. Watch the video. Like, share, comment. Or I'll squeeze your ass. I'll squeeze your face. So, bye-bye. Much love. Love you.
Put the link of the Facebook in YouTube comments and share the YouTube video as the Facebook status.